Hello my dear friends. In today's video, I will share a natural remedy that may help improve uterine polyps. Please note, this natural remedy does not replace a doctor's visit or prescribed treatments. However, it may help support the reduction of the polyp. As a supportive remedy, this remedy should not be used by pregnant women or during heavy uterine bleeding. If you have a chronic illness or take medications, please consult your doctor before using this remedy. The main ingredient used is black sesame. Based on traditional medicine, black sesame strengthens the uterus and ovaries. It reduces uterine dryness and may improve fertility. Sesame can support better menstrual flow and improves weak or painful periods. It warms a cold uterus and improves circulation in the pelvic area. Sesame supports uterine strength and recovery after delivery. In traditional medicine, black sesame is still used to help support the reduction of uterine polyps. Here's how to make it. To prepare it, you need a mortar and a French press. Take 5 tablespoons of black sesame and lightly crush them. Take this remedy twice a day, in the morning and evening. Start using it 10 days before your period and continue until your period begins. Repeat this cycle for 3 months. If you feel stomach discomfort or get too warm after using sesame, reduce the amount or stop using it. Put the crushed sesame seeds into the French press. Add 1 cup of boiling water to it. Let it steep for 20 minutes. Now strain it. And press the leftover seeds to get all the liquid. You can add honey to it if you want. Drink it warm. Please write your health concerns in the comments. Future videos will be made about them. Remember, these remedies will help improve your condition, but true healing comes from the soul. To live a healthier life, try adding these activities to your daily routine.